A VPN, or virtual private network, encrypts your internet connection and routes it through a secure server. This protects your privacy and can prevent network filters from seeing which specific websites you're trying to access, allowing blocked sites to load normally, when VPN use is permitted. For this tutorial, I'll show you how to do this using NordVPN, one of the fastest and most trusted VPNs available. You can check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a discounted price. First, open your web browser and go to the NordVPN website using the link below this video. Choose a plan that fits your needs. Once you've created your account, download and install the NordVPN app on your device. NordVPN works on Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, and even routers if you want to protect your entire home network. Once the installation is complete, open the NordVPN app and log in with the account you just created. You will see a list of countries and servers. Then, choose a server location. For the best speed, connect to a nearby country. If the network you're on uses strong filtering, NordVPN offers obfuscated servers, which are designed to work better on restricted networks. You can enable these in the app settings. Once you're connected, open your browser and visit the specific website that was blocked before. In many cases, it should now load normally. If it doesn't, try switching servers or refreshing the page. If the website is still blocked, it's also a good idea to check whether the block is coming from device-level restrictions, browser settings, or parental controls, since those can block specific sites even without network filtering. Remember to use this responsibly. Don't access illegal or inappropriate content, don't attempt to disable network security systems, and always respect the rules of the network you're using. And if you want to try NordVPN for yourself, I've included a link in the description with a limited time discount. It also comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk in trying it out. If you're watching this on a TV or iPad, you can also scan the QR code on screen to get started.